Okay, this is the exercise in dulling intensity, and what you're going to need to start is one of the worksheets and then two complementary colors. Remember, complementary are two that are opposite one another on the color wheel. So I've chosen to use orange and blue as my two complementary colors. I already have some orange on my brush here since I just mixed this. So you're going to put the two complementary colors on the outside boxes. Doesn't matter which way. I'm just going to start with my orange over here. So remember, when you mix two complementary hues, you should get brown, a neutral brown. Okay, so I painted one, rinse my brush really well. Paint blue on the other side. Okay, now what I want to do is find the neutral. So to mix the blue and the orange together so that it makes brown. So it doesn't look orange, doesn't look blue, but it just looks brown. So I'm going to take some blue and start a new well here. And now I don't want to contaminate my orange too much. So I'm going to take from the edge, mix the two together. Okay, and I can tell that's still quite blue. So get some more orange in here. Okay, now we're getting closer. Still on the bluish side. So what I'm gonna do, make sure I'm not wasting this. I'm gonna move just a little bit of this into a new well, because I'll be able to use that color. Because I don't want to run out of orange trying to mix this brown. Because I just need a little bit of it. Okay, so now you can see this color looks a little more orangish. So I'm gonna get some of this bluish color and mix it in with it. I think we're there. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, that's pretty neutral. I don't think it looks more orange or more blue. And we'll see as we go. So now I'm gonna take this one. This one had more blue mixed into it. I'm gonna paint that here. Because this way, you're gradually mixing the blue into the neutral. Or in other words, you're gradually mixing orange into the blue, and the other way you're mixing the orange into it. Okay, so I just want to make sure I see a difference, a big enough difference between those two. And so then this last one next to the blue is really going to be more so blue with just a little bit of orange in it. So I'm taking a fresh blue and just adding a little bit of this into it. So it's just basically a dulled blue. So if I want a dull blue in a painting sometime, all I have to do is add a little bit of orange to it. It also makes the blue a little darker. So it's a really nice color to use for shadows. So this kind of helps you see how you can make these different kinds of colors to use in your paintings. All right, so now I'm gonna go towards the orange side. Get my brush rinsed out. So I'm going to mix some orange with this brown that I had here. And paint this one. And then this last one you basically want to be orange with just a little bit of that added. So I don't have a lot in this well. I'll just add a little more orange to it. So you just get kind of a really nice burnt orange color by adding just a little bit of blue to the orange. So it's kind of a nice pumpkin-y color that you could use in your paintings. Also going to be good for shadows, or if you're painting rust or something. Okay, so these are bright, intense colors. These are my straight out of the tube colors. And all of these are colors that have dulled intensity by adding the complementary color to them. They're all very nice, natural colors to be used in paintings. So that's how you do the exercise in dulling intensity.